Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach an absolute beginner's lesson on masking in DaVinci Resolve in less than 3 minutes. So actually this is crazy simple how to do this. Let me just grab a random clip and drop it down here. Let me go ahead and remove the sound. Let's say I just want to add a circular mask right here. What I'll do is come over to the color page, and with this node selected here, I'm going to not use the curves, but instead I'm going to go to the window panel. This is actually called the power window. And you can see that we have a square window, a circular window, we have a pen tool window, and you can use any of these. So for example, if I clicked on the square window, you can see that there's a square there. If I click on the circular window, then there's a circular window there. And let's say I have this selected, I can make adjustments in terms of height. I can make adjustments widthwise or whatever. I can rotate it. All of those parameters are here. Now this softness is actually feathering, so I can feather that however much I want, okay? But you're saying, yeah, but it's not masking it, and it's not. And the reason is because it's not plugged in as far as the alpha channel or the transparency is concerned. So you can see these green dots, they represent the actual image itself, and these blue dots represent the alpha channel or the transparency. And it's not plugged in anything because there's nothing over here to plug in. So here's what you do. You right click on the node panel and you say add alpha output. And now I have a node that I can plug directly into, and there is my mask. Again, if I choose to use, say, a pen tool, for example, now I can just this way, okay? And by the way, if I click and drag, then I can have Bezier curves on this as well. And when I close the mask, it's just like a circular mask, except that I have specifically defined the path of the mask. I'm Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei YouTube channel, and this has been an absolute beginner's lesson on masking in DaVinci Resolve. I'm going to do a lot more tutorials on masking, so please do me a favor and like this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of those future tutorials. In the meantime, here's a playlist of all the Resolve tutorials I've made so far. Thanks for watching.